Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to turn off autoplay on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first things first, you have to open your Facebook account. You have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Facebook application. Tap on your profile and then you have to look for the settings and privacy, or you just have to click the gear icon here. Now on the gear icon, what you're going to do is you have to look for media. So find media profile settings, scroll down and tap media. Maybe in some Android it's different, but all you have to do is you have to look for media here. Find media or profile settings. So once you have found the media, what you're going to do is you have to click this one. And then after that, you have to scroll down. You will see here video playback and you have options below. So what you're going to do is you have to choose never autoplay videos or tap on never. Now you will see that it's all done. Facebook videos will no longer play automatically, and that's how to turn off autoplay on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.